Welcome to our final lecture for this project, where we will set up the render and show the render process. So normally, before we start a render, we always check if we have our scene and render layers active and checked. I will be using GPU rendering. I hope you will too, otherwise your render will take a lot longer. Check your start and end frame and make sure your frame rate is on 30. Set JPEG as your output file format with max quality and set your output folder where the render frames will be saved. Note the plus sign to make a new folder. You can name the output file just frame, then it will count up like frame 1, frame 2, etc. We can also animate the seed value to make sure the render noise is not uniform across the different frames. Make sure the option Use is chosen at Layer Samples. Then we can click the magical animation button. Of course, I did not render 2000 frames in 1 second. But when you have, after many days, you can open a new Blender instance and drag out a new window and set it to the video sequence editor. Then we can add the bunch of rendered images via the Add menu. I am actually just gonna add 450 images from a animation clip. We can set our end frame as the end of the added image strip. Also make sure here that you are having the same render resolution and frame rate. Choose the appropriate output folder. Change the format and encoding as I do, since it gives good results with small file size. We can actually choose CPU here, press the animation button and see the magic happen. Then, as the final result, if you followed the project, you should see something similar like the following animation on your end as well. So I hope your creation looks better than mine and that you learned what you expected to learn from this course. I hope with the techniques and effects taught in this course you will go ahead and create your own inspiring artworks. You can always write a review or comment with tips for improvements, which I can use for future courses. This project might be finished, but it is not the end of this course. In the future, I will be adding some bonus projects with cool new volumetric effects to geek out over. So once in a while check back on this course and perhaps you might find something new. Thank you for participating in this course and hope to see you in my future courses.